Video. In today's video I will show you how to embed AVPlayer inside a native iOS application. Now I have already made videos about how to play videos using AVPlayer view controller, but the problem with AVPlayer view controller is that it opens a new view controller in itself. But the advantage is that you get everything by default, whatever is the like the play pause button as well as the seek bar. But with AVPlayer you don't get anything, but it suppose you want to embed it within your existing screen to play the video, then AVPlayer might be a better option for you. So yeah, let's get started. So first I will show you the demo. So I'll just run my application. I have created a native iOS application and I'm using UIKit for this, but if you want you can use SwiftUI as well, but you will have to change some bit of code, but because I don't think there is a SwiftUI API for AVPlayer as of yet, but in future it might be available. So here you can see I have three buttons: pick video, play and pause, as well as a seek bar. So the play and pause are related to your video and seek bar is also related to your video, but when you click on pick video, it opens the Photos app, and from here you can pick any video which you want to. So I will just pick this one video and it won't start playing automatically, so I will just click on the play button and I have paused the video now. But here you can see the seek bar also automatically progresses with the video. So typically you want like you will have to do a better design than me, but as far as the functionality goes, this works properly. So yeah, let's get started on how to get this working. So firstly, inside info.plist you will have to add photo library usage description. Next, inside view controller you will have to import photos UI as well as AVKit, and here these are the first we have to define our AVPlayer, and also we need to define our player layer to define how much width and height and the X and Y coordinates of our players would be. Then this is the time observer token, because I want to move the seek bar along as the video progresses. Next, I have taken a play button for playing the video, a pause button for pausing the video, then a UI slider for the seek bar progress, like how much the video has played, and here is the pick video button to pick a video from the Photos app. Next, I have added like on click listener for all our buttons as well as to our seek bars, and then I have added everything to our view. I have done some NS layout constraints as well. Then here you can see I am initializing our AVPlayer as well as player layer. Then I'm setting the video gravity to our player layer as resize. Then we are adding to our views layer this player layer. This you can ignore, but I have kept it because here you will have to define how your player layer should look like. So it will start from the X coordinate of our view, but you can't keep this as 0 because we have this pick video, play, pause and the seek bar at the top. So that's why I have hard coded this Y for 200, but you can change it by calculating the seek bar as well as this pick video, play, pause buttons height, and then adjust it accordingly. Then the width I have made sure that it occupies the entire width, and height also I have hard coded, but you can change it according to what you want. Next, once this pick video button is pressed, we are first checking whether the permission has been granted or not. If yes, then call this pick video method, and this is the method for requesting authorization. So once the authorization is complete, I'm setting the completion as true, and inside pick video you can see that I'm just calling phpicker configuration, and the selection limit is 1, and the filter I am filtering by videos. Then I'm doing phpicker view controller, and the model presentation style is full screen, and I am presenting our picker, and this will get called once you have successfully picked up your video. So once you get the URL, I am adding a time observer as well as I am making our AVPlayer item ready and replacing with our current item. If there is any error, then I'm just logging it to the console. For play button click listener, I'm just player.play, same for pause, player.pause. And for seek bar value change, like you can manually drag and drop the seek bar as well, so the video will be automatically moved as well. So here you can see I'm changing it to whatever time you are moving it on the seek bar, and here we are adding the add time observer because we want to track how much the video has progressed, and accordingly move the seek bar. That's why we need this. And here as you can see, I'm updating the seek bar, and these are like this is everything related to picking video from photos picker. And to be honest, like I have just copy pasted this code from online. So yeah, you can like even I don't understand much of it, but this is all the stuff which you have to do for picking a video. Like it's not straightforward. Like typically what happens, it will show you the photos app, then you will have to copy, I think, the video to a temporary URL, so this one. And then once that is done, you will, so here you can see we are copying the item and then sending the URL. So here we are sending the destination URL as well as the error. And this extension I have created for determining whether what is the status of your permission. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.